Hello, I'm very excited to present you my second part of video blog. I haven't received any comments about my speed and vocabulary mistakes. I will try to avoid these long pauses and will be speaking very fast in this blog. I want to make it good, fast, yes. As you can see, I haven't done nothing special here yet. I was busy looking for work, new people to meet, new styles of music, new venues to play my music. First thing I would like to ask you, if you want to know good things about stuff, subscribe to my video blog. Second thing, I would like to answer some questions of my fans. Very thank you for questions. I have them written on my notebook paper. I have no computer yet. I try to be original. I try to be not like all people, and I would like you to be not like all people. Mr. Sprintech, he says, I have the same radio, 2 exclamation marks. I thought it was 3 exclamation marks, but there are only 2. I would like to know how you like this radio, and do you think that it has very good bass response, mediocre bass response, or bad bass response? Second girl, RRYYTTEE. Oh, damn, I can't wait to see your lifestyle tutorials. I will be making some tutorials for you, so you can know what is important in life, how to act in various situations. Despina, this is very funny. Ong, I wanna have RBB. Do zobaczenia, kochany. Do zobaczenia, do śpinka, kocham ciebie. Which means it was in English, so you know it. Andrius Montovas, where I can send you money to you. Very, very thank you. You are very good man. I think you can try to send your money to my email. You should be able to see my email right here. I'm sorry if you can't see this because I'm not very well in informatic technology, you know. I saw that people put like this and they see email. I hope I will do this, yes. Kazakaten said, man, great video. Thank you very much. I tried to do my best to make this video. Is this your interior? Yes, this is my interior. You need to listen carefully. Pay attention. This is my interior. There is my bed. Poopa. Are you goth or are you rapper? I'm a little bit goth because I listen to such groups as Death of the Dead, Vampires and Their Enemies, Enemies of the Death, Ask to Death, Death is Everywhere, Black Death of the Church, Death of the Dead. So, in connection to this, I would like to introduce you my second musical instrument, some pipes. There are holes in these pipes. Well, it's kind of ethnic Indian stuff. Please listen to this instrument. I would like to present you one more thing. Aloe Vera King lemonade made from aloe vera. It is very good for your hair, for your health. I haven't drank this yet, but I have found this. I think I will be using this a lot because this bottle looks nice, and things that look nice have nice things in them. There is something left. I will try it, tell you how it tastes, and if you really should try it or not. Definitely, this is very good lemonade. Drink it and be healthy. Active, like or dislike my videos. Tell me why do you like or why do you not like them, so I can improve them. What would you like to see on my videos? You need to subscribe so you can get my next video to you on email or stuff. Goodbye, auf Wiedersehen, до zobaczenia, до свидания. Arigato.